Hey, it's Caroline. Today I'll be showing you this look using these natural earth tones for a nice glow. Hope you enjoy! I'm starting off with Lala from Colourpop as my base. I'm also going to place a little bit under my eye. I'm not taking it from corner to corner, I'm just going halfway. Next, I'm going to take this fluffy brush and apply Summer Yum. I'm taking it all the way across my lid. I like to start with this darker color nice and even across, and then start to blend it out a little bit at the end. I want to diffuse this color out a little bit, so I'm taking a blending brush, and there's no color on this, I'm just going over what I just applied. Then I'm taking this deep brown Mittens from Colourpop. And I'm going to apply this using a shorter brush with a rounded tip. I'm essentially lining my eyes with this. When I was younger, I really tried to fake a crease by using like super black eyeshadow and bringing it like all the way up here. Oh, Caroline. But now I really love my eye shape, and I use makeup to bring out those natural features instead of trying to hide everything. So as you can see, I created a nice gradient, and I took it a little bit above my eyelid. And now I'm taking it out and winging it a little bit. Now I'm ready for eyeliner. As always, I'm taking my favorite liner, Perversion. So I'm not trying to draw my wing with this pencil, just because I like having a more defined wing. So I'm just lining my eye and then going over it with my finger. Now I'm using a brush with a flat edge, and I'm gonna go over my liner. And then I'm gonna use this same brush and kind of draw a line for where I want my eyeliner to be. Now for finishing touches for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna take Marzipan and Creme Brulee. I've been using these colors for every look, so I put Marzipan in the corner of my eye. I kind of bring it out towards the center. And then I take Creme Brulee and I put a dot of it right underneath my pupil. So now I'm using Maybelline's Master Precise eyeliner. And I'm just going to draw a quick wing. I'm definitely being a little bolder than I thought with my liner today, but it's okay. Now I'm taking a brown liner, and I'm just going over the edge of my black shadow with this, and it's going to give us more of a gradient look. So on a casual day, I'll leave my eyeshadow like this, but today I want to add a little sparkle. So I'm taking Sequin from Colourpop. I'm really just tapping it on. And that's giving me a nice subtle glow. So last step for the eyes is mascara. I'm gonna give my lashes a quick curl. And I'm using my favorite mascara. Oh my god. Hello? This is my best friend Sam. He's... Okay, bye. That's my friend. Okay, so I did my my bottom lashes and my top lashes. And now I'm gonna take my Nars Concealer in Custard and apply this on my cheeks. Taking my beauty blender and blending that out. Now I'm gonna use Kevyn Aucoin's Contour Book, and this is my favorite bronzer because I feel like the color is really natural and not orange at all. I used to really like Hoola by Benefit, but that's more of my summer bronzer because it has a little bit of an orange tint to it. So lately this has been my favorite combo for highlighting. I take Lunch Money from Colourpop, and I'm applying that to the high points of my face and down the bridge of my nose, and then on my Cupid's bow. Now I'm taking the Dandelion highlighter, and with a brush I'm sweeping that right over Lunch Money. And I just got this new blush, Rockateur. This is also from Benefit. This gives you a nice natural flush. And last but not least, I'm taking one of my favorite colors from Colourpop's Lippy collection. This is Parker, and it's a really beautiful nude. So here's the final look. This is the color palette that we used today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like or subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!